This
طيب
conference will now be recorded.
كل التركيز على هذه السلايد والشرح اللي تم فيها بالكامل بإذن الله سبحانه وتعالى. لكن ما معنى ذلك انه الامتحان فقط من هذه السلايد؟ الامتحان راح يغطي كامل الشابتر اللي هو كلاس نمبر 5، لكن اهم النقاط موجوده على هذه السلايد. لكم بالامس خلصنا البيانات الرقميه والبيانات النصيه. So that's numbering data type categories and text or character data types categories, right? So today we need to move forward to see the rest of the other data types in Access. Okay, I want to start with this one. That is yes, no data type. Yes, no. Okay. So it's called yes, no data type. It's called true false data type. Called as well 0, 1 data type. كل من هذه it is fine. Plus, so the most important, when you have to select such data type for that feed. This is the idea. For example, if I have gender, we have two types of gender, right? So either male or female. We have boys or girl, right? By the same way, by the same meaning. I'm talking about the students. And those database designer, they are agree male and boys usually take the value, the first one, whatever it is, the first value. That is yes, that is true, or that is 1. And oppositely, the second value it have been no, it have been false, it have been 0. Okay, without having anything in our heart. This is number 1. Number 2, if we are talking about citizen, say citizen is here Omani or not. That's it. Okay, for the registration. So other nationalities, just consider them as no. That's it. So for citizen, again, same like gender. For example, status that is he's married or not, then it will come under the category yes, true, yes, no, or true, false, 1, 0 data types by such way. So if we are keeping such one more column over here, that is gender, and that is Shaima, she is yes, she's no, sorry, as well, all are no, either and Asma as well as Marwa. So those genders are females simply or girls. Okay, by such way, then that is yes, no data type. Yes, no data type over here. Get it? Then we need to move to one more important data types, that is date or time. Date or time data type. Okay, so now task is topic is date or time data type or data type. First, when you have to select this field as date or time. So very obviously, whenever we have date, for example, date of birth, then in short, we will write it like this, date of birth. So that is date or time data type. If we have date of hiring, for example, tayin, then that is yes, that's date or time data type. Moving by such way that is date of expiration, date of production, date of whatever. Wherever there is date, keep it as date or time. Let me get to the axis if you don't mind. Okay, if we get inside the design of this table, so we can have gender. Instead of writing female, we need the task to be easiest for the user. So what we will do, male and female. Yes, we will keep it as yes, no field. Then such field it will be filled by such way. Will be filled ربة. If it is male, we will keep tick. If it is female, we will leave it without tick, empty. If it is male, we will keep tick by this way. Got it? So this is what this is, yes or no field. And if you have a look to the field properties over here, the format, do you want it yes, no, do you want it true, false, do you need it on, off, do you need it 0, such like this. And for the date of birth over here, already we have it before. So that is date or time data field. Okay, just after that, you have to concern about, you have to concern from down about the field properties format. Do you need it as long date? Do you need it as medium date? Do you need it as short date? Such a way, then you have to get to the properties and to select the format of that date. Is it clear? And for the last important, these are the most important. For the last important data type, that is hyperlink. Hyperlink. When we have to select such data type as hyperlink, we have a website. For example, this is our website that is such a way like this, or we have an email. For example, this is my email. So I want to keep it as hyperlink. What is the reason behind that? I'll tell you. Then last important one, that is hyperlink data type. For whom? For any websites, any website, plus or any email. Okay, and we have the examples for the website, and we have the example over here for the email. Okay, so why we have to do so? Why we have to select this email, for example, for a student as a hyperlink? It could be short text, right? It could be a short text. Let us find the difference. If it is short text and if it is a hyperlink, what are the difference between them? and the question will be inside the exam. For an email, what I should select? What is the suitable data type and why? You have to select, or you have to explain which is the suitable data type and the reason behind that. We have why we have to select as a short text, or you have to select it as a hyperlink. Now I'm keep it as short text. Okay, and I'm going to fill this email for this student, for example, over here, like this one. Now it is short text, and I was fill it. Never mind. But what is the reason why I have to select it as a hyperlink? I'm going back to the design of this field, and I'm going to keep it as hyperlink somewhere here for this email. I'm going to save the change. I'm going to display my data and observe here. Now it have been turned to a link. Means whenever I click on this one, it will take me to the website of that email. Well, from where do you want to open it? From a browser, click over there and it will be open for you, right? So this is the reason why we have to select a website or an email as a hyperlinks data type. For such reason, whenever I click over there, it will take me directly to that website. And such way, this is the most important point regard the data types within Access.